Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean pewter. The best thing to clean any metal with is vinegar. There's a certain chemical reaction that goes on with vinegar. It's a mystery to me, but it's a really fun science project for your kids if you want to get them in on the cleaning, because it's really neat how it works. And the best way to polish anything or clean anything that you can't just drop into a bowl of vinegar is to get ketchup. It's loaded with vinegar, and it's really good for buffing because it's so thick. You just put a squirt of it onto a paper towel and buff. And you can really get messy with it. Really cover the pewter with this ketchup. If you need to let it dry and repeat this process, if you let the ketchup dry onto the pewter, it'll work even better. When you wipe away the dried ketchup, it'll take with it a lot of the tarnished parts, or a lot of the tarnished look. And another thing that works really well on any kind of metal, including pewter, is baking soda. You can make a paste with baking soda and water. After you make your paste, make sure it's a good consistency. And really what you're looking for is the grittiness of the baking soda. You can add, like I said, vinegar to it or water. Vinegar might be for, a tougher project. Use a toothbrush, to scrub it, or you could use your finger to polish. Just depends on how difficult the job is. After you've done this, you want to rinse off your pewter. And repeat this process as many times as you need. But you can see the difference between the part right here that I've cleaned and polished and the piece right beside it that I really didn't mess with at all. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you clean pewter.